In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add Bitcoin to MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MT5 app, then go to codes. Now you have to look here first if you have Bitcoin. If you can't see it, go to this plus icon here at the top, right? Click on it. And here, find symbols, type BTC or Bitcoin. And you can see here BTC odd, BTC versus Australian dollar, euro, and we want this one, BTCUSD. So click on the plus and go back. Now, if we scroll down, you will see it here, BTCUSD, $93,000. So click on it and click on chart. If you can't see BTC or Bitcoin, your broker doesn't have Bitcoin, okay? In that set, this is the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, this is on the 5 minute time frame. This is on the 1 hour, and this is on the 4 hour. In that set, so I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.